Located near Nagoya City in Japan is a small city called Okazaki. People from Okazaki are very proud of two things. The first is that the great unifier of Japan, Tokugawa Ieyasu, was born in Okazaki in 1543. The second, even older thing they are proud of is that Okazaki is the birthplace of Hatcho Miso. That's why today I'm going to talk about the production of Hatcho Miso. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Do stick a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you are new.
あちら側に岡田秀夫がございますけれども、岡田秀夫から1丁2丁って順に数えてくるとこの辺りちょうど8丁目なんですね。
それじゃ八丁味噌っていうのね。
はい、その昔八丁村と呼ばれておりましてね、ここで作られているお味噌ということで八丁味噌と名前がついている。
The name of this company is Maruya, and this is their production chart. Miso is a paste made from fermented soybeans. It is one of the main ingredients in Japanese cooking, and it's used all over the country. The first process on the flow chart is selection of the soybeans, and you can see all the soybeans are circular in shape. That's why this company is called Maruya, because Maru means circle in Japanese. The second step is washing of the soybeans, and after washing thoroughly, then the third step is soaking in water. They actually soaked in water to soften them. Then after that, the first step is to dry them. Then boil in water. That's the fifth step. And after that, it is allowed to cool down. That's the cooling process. Then the next step is the actual making of the miso balls. The soybeans will be crushed and molded into balls. Then the eighth step is the covering of the miso balls with koji. Koji is a kind of powdery substance that enhances fermentation, and they are made from malt. After that, the miso balls will naturally develop to miso koji, which is a source of miso. This process actually takes about 4 days. You can see the first, second, and the third day. Then it develops to the actual miso koji. The next step is to prepare miso daru, which is a cedar top to keep miso koji under piling stones in a beautiful triangle shape.
So these ones are just been prepared.
Just prepared, and so maybe one or 2 weeks before. So in this
This
case,
one, how long has this one been made?
これはどれぐらいかかってるの？
これはでも今年で2年目ぐらい。
Almost 2 years. Almost soon
もうすぐできますね。
finished.
はい
Soon finished. Big rocks.
中に入っているお味噌は大体平均で6トンぐらいです。
Overall weight inside is 6 ton by average. 6 ton
で、
miso
上に積
pasta.
まれている石はそのおよそ半分の3トンほどになります。
The weight of the stone is half. That means 3 ton. 3 ton. 3 ton plus 6 ton miso.
でも桶自体も1トン弱あるので、全部で10トン
Barrel
ぐらい。
itself is more or less 1 ton.
In summary, it means the weight of the cedar tub is 1 ton, and the weight of the miso inside is 6 ton. Then the weight of the stones piled up in triangular shape is 3 tons, altogether making it 10 ton. The stones come in different variations and sizes, and to actually arrange these stones takes a lot of skills and technical know-how. This is because Japan is a country prone to earthquake, so this has to be put into consideration when arranging these stones. We went to the production room and we are very lucky to see the actual production of miso. So these men here, they are trying to turn the miso into the cedar top, and this is a very rare experience.
We are very lucky, fortunate to see it.
まだ練り込んである土壁ですとか、ゴツゴツした梁や柱などは当時のままで。
The barrels are reusable, so they are washed and dried outside after using them. These are the cedar tubs. They were originally made about 300 years ago, and they are washed after use and dried for the next use. The stones are also reusable. This is the completion. The miso will stay in the cedar tub covered with the stones for 2 years.
Keeping as it is for 2 years.
2 years.
2 years. 2 summer and 2 winter. So
Wow.
in 2 years ね。
Wow.
で、これで八丁味噌。
これで八丁味噌に
レンが八丁味噌。
で、こちらが赤だしなんですけど、
あ、
赤だしは米でできた、米麹でできた味噌をブレンドして作ったお味噌です。八丁味噌。
Step 13 is the exportation. So they actually export to different continents like Africa, Australia, Russia, and so on. Nomura-san actually bought some miso. He wants to enjoy his dinner. He'll cook it this night, and I'm sure he's gonna enjoy it. And in case you've not visited his page on Instagram, please just type Toyota Hospitality Guide Network. And if you want to come to Japan, he will guide you. He's a volunteer guide. He will guide you. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And please do subscribe to my channel if you're new. And like this video. Please share with your friends and family. And see you soon. Goodbye.